Hello friends. So as I told the last video tutorial, so you will be giving your header informations to the template, right? So for every controller, if you are going to have it here, it will be like a mess because you will be having your own logics that are to be sent through this area, right? So for to avoid that, will be using page class right from the app. So go to app and go to config.php. In this set, use page class to true, right? And then take page.php here and just copy and paste it. Do nothing, just do a copy paste. Right now, just go to controller and which file you are going to render. Just copy this file, render. Copy this area. You are going to render home/index. So home/index. Just tell here what should be your title, home controller, right? Keywords, you can have your keywords, you can have your description here. So I'll just make it another controller. I don't make it as home controller because I already made a home controller, so there should be a difference. So I'll take it as let it be home controller, right? So I'll just remove this, right? So it should be page title, actually it should not be title. So I'll go to template, I'll just make it as title, right? So we just go here and give it a try. It should be page title. Just a second, I'll just make sure page dot title. Okay, it should be dollar page dot title. So because we are loading it from page class, make it as dollar page dot title, right? So this is a dollar page dot title, right? So you are getting a home controller here. So if you are changing any name here, right? Okay, user. So just check. Okay, I think this is served from cage, I think so. So I'll just go and make the caging false, fail see, right? And go to smart templates, delete the cage files and template underscore c, delete these files also, right? And then refresh it. So I am getting this file, right? So if you see any changes which is not been happening, make sure on a development mode it's always preferable to have your caging from Smarty set to false, right? From Smarty, and then delete these two files, these two folders. Sorry, don't delete the folder, delete the files, right? And this cage file also, right? So in this you can have it anything. So just make it as home controller. So keywords will be my home controller. So this will be description will be my home controller description, right? So instead of typing it again, I'll just copy it from my bootstrap, which has been defaultly sent to you. So just copy this meta text and I'll just paste it over here, right? So this is a bootstrap. This one is using a bootstrap CSS framework, so you can just copy it and paste it, right? So just to show you what is the use of the page class, so just give it enter. So we go to see the page source, right? See, things will be auto set over here, right? So in this, like you can avoid these 3 lines that are coming directly to your controller side, right? So this will be very useful when you are working on a higher end project. So that those things you don't need to take care of. Like if you are using 10 pages or 15 or 20 pages, and if you want to change the title, you don't want to go and search for the controller, just come to page.index and just search for the item and just change over here. It's more than enough. So home controller, so that will be a one point solution. See, home controller. So next we will be seeing how to include the CSS file and script files.